Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Ford Mustang with an automatic transmission. First, locate a large, empty space, like a deserted parking lot, ensuring it is completely free of any hazards. Next, confirm your tires are in good condition and properly inflated for optimal grip. Crucially, disable all electronic aids, including traction and stability control, to allow the car to slide freely. Finally, familiarize yourself with your Mustang's power delivery. To begin, approach your chosen corner at a moderate speed, perhaps around 30 miles per hour. As you enter the turn the steering wheel sharply. Simultaneously, you can either briefly engage the handbrake or apply a burst of throttle to initiate power oversteer, braking the rear tire's traction. Immediately counter-steer in the opposite direction to catch the slide and control the car's angle. Once the car is sliding, maintaining it requires a delicate balance. Use the accelerator pedal to manage the rear wheel spin and the overall speed of the drift. Make small, precise adjustments with the steering wheel to guide the car through the turn. Always look ahead to where you intend to go, rather than focusing on the immediate surroundings. Smoothly blend your throttle and steering inputs for a controlled, continuous slide. To exit the drift smoothly, gradually ease off the throttle as you approach the corner's end. As the rear tires begin to regain traction, slowly straighten the steering wheel, allowing the car to naturally align itself. Let the vehicle settle into a straight line and drive smoothly out of the turn. Remember, drifting takes considerable practice. Begin with small, controlled slides and gradually increase your confidence and skill.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.